Define the model and perform the calculation. In the Navigator, in the Calculation Results section, consult the BEM results in zones and the HVAC and DHW systems. For buildings subject to calculation, for the different subunits and for the rooms of the different thermal zones, you can consult the annual, monthly, daily and hourly results. Consult, in percentage terms, the annual energy needs for heating, cooling and domestic hot water. Or, again in percentage terms, the annual losses from the opaque envelope, glass surfaces, thermal bridges or ventilation. Analyze the same results for smaller intervals, such as monthly energy needs. You can filter the individual gains by viewing the energy needs for heating, cooling and domestic hot water. Similarly for the other results. For smaller intervals, such as hourly, set the day and analyze the results for 24 hours. Through the Print Report function, you generate the calculation printout with all the results of the building, of the individual subunits and of the individual rooms. Print the report or export it in RTF format. Consult results relating to the different systems and print the report for each one too. Directly from the model for each BIM object, you can read the results in the Results toolbox. For a room, you can consult the annual, monthly, daily and hourly values. For the selected room as monthly results, you can, for example, graphically display the energy requirements. Or the average temperatures, outside and inside, individually or in comparison. And so are all the other results. For the selected room, you can view the same results in table form. And export the entire calculation report.